Good morning. Go ahead and get started on the warm-up questions. Stop the video if you need to. All right, let's go and take a look at the first problem here. Number one, it says solve the following. -12 is equal to -3 times 2x minus 4. You're going to do the derivative property work first. You got -3 times 2x gives you -6x. -3 times -4 gives you +12. This sets up a two-step equation. Subtract 12 from both sides, and then 2 -12s gives you -24. I'm going to bring the -6x down, then divide both sides by -6. A negative divided by a negative is a +4, and if you plug it back in, you can see that it makes the statement true. Number two, simplify the following. -4 times parentheses x plus 3 minus 6x plus 15. I'm going to get -4x minus 12, bring down a -6x into 15. Combine my x's and I get -10x plus 3. Number three, on a map, two cities are located 2 3/4 centimeters apart. The map uses a scale where 1/2 centimeters is equal to 5 miles. How many miles apart are the cities? I got centimeters over miles, 1/2 over 5, 2 3/4 over x. When I cross multiply, I get 1/2 x is equal to 55/4. I divide both by 1/2, and I get an answer of 27.5 miles. Number four, determine the total distance around the figure shown below. These are two composite shapes. One is a semicircle, the other one is a triangle. The formula for finding the area of a semicircle is area equals pi r squared divided by 2. If the diameter is 10, the radius is 5. 5 squared is 25. So we get 25 pi divided by 2, or 78.5 divided by 2. Gives us an area of 39.25. The triangle, area equals base times height divided by 2, or 10 times 12 divided by 2, or 160 or 120 divided by 2 gives me 60. If I add 60 plus 39.25, it gives me 99.25. Now, how can inequalities be solved in their solution graph? I'm going to do a quick review. Write each situation presented as an inequality, then choose 3 possible solutions. A number less than 15 and a number greater than or equal to -12. To write the inequality, you write n is less than 15. Possible solution sets could be 3, -5, -8.2. And a number greater than or equal to -12. The inequality is written this way, and the solution set is -12, 0, 15. These numbers are greater than -12. And -12 is included in the solution set because it said it was equal to. Now to graph it, we're going to, our target number of 15. It's an open circle, and we're saying that the numbers are less than 15, so the arrow points to the left. In the second problem, we're saying that the numbers are greater than or equal to -12, so it's a closed circle. -12 is a target number. It points to the right to the greater numbers. Solving multi-step inequalities. Solve using inverse operations. List the solution set and graph the solution. You have 2.5x plus 15 is greater than -12. So you subtract 15 from both sides and you get 2.5x is greater than -35. Divide both sides by 2.5 and you get a number is greater than -14. The numbers that would be greater than -14 would be 15, 20, and 97. And on my number line, -14 is my target number. It's an open circle and it points in the direction of the greater numbers. Now, how's the solution different than when you solve similar equations? The equation on the left is an inequality. The equation on the right is an equation. The equation on the right only has one answer, but the equation on the left has more than one. It has an infinite number. That's what makes it an inequality. Now, solving multi-step inequalities. 12 plus 3 times the number x is less than 15. Write and solve the inequality for the information represented above. So we have an equation here, and we're going to solve it just like we do a two-step equation, but the only difference is the inequality that's embedded. So you subtract 12 from both sides, get -27, bring the 3x down. Divide both by 3, and you wind up getting -9. So we're looking for a number less than -9. -10, -15.5, and -20 is less than 5, or -9. So -9 is my target number. It's an open circle, and it points in the direction of the lesser numbers. Write an inequality, solve it first, list 3 possible solutions, shade the solution set. You need to get all 3 of these. And as you can see, I solved it the same way I did the last problem, set it up as a 2-step equation. And my answer was a number is less than -4, so -5, -10.5, and -25 or less. So -4 is my target number. An open circle points to the left to the lesser numbers. Your assignment today is going to be the bit.ly capital INEQUALITY capital DAY 1. There's about 15 problems on this bit.ly, so you need to go in and complete it and shoot for 100% before you move on to something else. All right, you guys have a good day.